Hey, Don McNeil, I'm going to tell you how I got my my hinges freed up on my TJ. It's a 2003. I'm doing some body work to it right now. It is from Ohio. Uh, I bought it in 2005 in Ohio, and so obviously I'm going to have to weld some patches in here. Getting close, almost ready for paint. But all TJ owners know that these top hinges notoriously get stuck. I'm going to show you what I did to free mine up. What I did is I took these two bolts out. Probably not overly important because you can open the tailgate and do the same thing. And then I taped plastic along here so it didn't get on my paint, or in this case, lack of paint. But I like these hinges because the OEM are a lot thicker and they just look better, I think. I bought some Rugged Ridge, and they just look kind of flimsy and cheap, so I'm gonna take these down to bare metal and clean them up and paint them. But this hinge here, it was a bitch to move. I mean, I could actually lean on the thing and it would barely move. So what I did was I took a 5/16 drill bit, and what I drilled two holes right here to allow penetrating fluid in, and you can actually see the pin right here. So what I did is I actually drilled through all the way to the pin, not through the pin, but just enough to touch the pin to get some lubrication in there, in these two spots right here. And it's hidden because the hinge closes. But and then what I did is I used some JB Blaster, and I actually sprayed them in holes and just kept working it back and forth and back and forth. And you can see how easily and freely this thing moves now. So I'm not sure if anybody would like to try this trick, but it definitely worked for me. My lower hinge, I don't think a lot of people have problems with the lower hinge, but this upper hinge, it was a monster. It was absolutely just stuck. So anyway, if you guys are out four-wheeling, make sure you keep the shiny side up.